Hey everybody, well, welcome to MrBigTrucks. Today we have a brand new truck called the Max Cliff Climber. It can pull up to 100 pounds and climb up almost everything. Well, we're going to do a video on it today, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Climbing is my specialty.
Okay, we put the tires on, we put the batteries in, and now we're going to test it out at the same construction site as this.
Are you still there?
Thanks for watching Mr. Big Trucks, the best truck videos on the web, dude.
Please subscribe to our channel to get awesome new videos. And don't forget to comment and give us a thumbs up below. See you next time.